Well, hello YouTube, D-Doc here, and thought I'd come out and do some work on my 66 International 1100A pickup truck. See if we can't get it to crank over. A little windy today, so let's take a look at what we got here. Here's the old 66. Rounded fenders. Kind of strapped to my shelter right now, holding it down. The original 266 engine went bad. The bearings on the distributor shaft were bad, so I replaced the whole thing with a 304 from a 1969 1000D pickup truck. Let's see if we can't close this lid up here and get a nice look at the profile and the Bulldog. As you can see, it's a step side model, full of crap. Big mutter tires, courtesy of Private Carpenter. There's a 74 F250. We'll talk about that later. Let's come around here for a back end shot. Real nice. Dusty, but trusty. Let's hop in and see if we can give her a turnaround. I doubt if anything's going to happen. It's been sitting for a while. Carburetor's probably empty. Nothing happening right yet. Probably going to have to go get some gas, prime the carburetor a few times. I think that's what we're going to have to do.